You ever meet someone who seems almost too perfect? Like they're saying all the right things, making you feel seen, understood, even special? But slowly, you start second-guessing yourself. You feel anxious, confused, maybe even a little crazy, and you can't seem to figure out why. That's not just a bad vibe. It's not love, it's a performance. Hey, I'm Dylan, and today we're talking about how to spot a covert narcissist early, before they mess with your mind and make you question your reality. If you've ever gotten that gut feeling that something might be off, this video may be the confirmation you've been looking for. Before we dive in, have you ever had that moment where something just felt off with someone and you couldn't explain it? Drop a yes in the comments if you've ever ignored that gut feeling and regretted it later. I want to hear your stories. Oh, and if you want some extra tools to help you move forward and heal even faster, check out the Break Free kit I made. It's linked down below, totally free. Just some of the stuff that helped me the most when I was getting through it. When I first met her, man, it felt like I hit the jackpot. She was sweet, thoughtful. She'd bring me my favorite snacks, things like Dr. Pepper, Reese's, Sour Patch Kids, all that good stuff. Like she had studied the inside of my brain. She was into comedies, hip-hop, fast cars, racing, all the things I loved. It was like, finally, someone who gets me. We even started saving money together to buy a house. We had a little safe at her apartment, and every week we would both put a little bit of money away. It felt serious, solid, like we were building something real. And in the beginning, she praised everything I did. She was proud of the clothing brand that I had started working on. She said she believed in me. I really thought I had found my perfect person. But then things changed. Quietly at first. I noticed some of the money in the safe was missing. Not all of it, just enough to raise a question in my mind. I asked, and she brushed it off. Said she needed it to pay some bills. But it felt weird. Why wouldn't she just say something? Why wouldn't she ask me to take some of that money? Then came the secrecy. She used to leave her phone just laying around, no big deal. But all of a sudden it was face down, always on silent. And if I ever got too close to it, she was quick to snatch that phone up. And at first, I made excuses for her. She's probably just stressed. Maybe she's going through something. But deep down, I felt it. That gut feeling that something just wasn't right. And then it got a little more obvious. The brand she once supported, now it was stupid. A waste of time. I was delusional for thinking I could do something with it. When I tried to talk to her about how I felt, it all of a sudden turned into a bunch of name-calling. Sensitive, selfish, always make things about you. Suddenly, I was walking on eggshells, apologizing for things I didn't even understand, trying to be perfect just to avoid an argument. And that's when I started questioning myself. Maybe I am the problem. Maybe I am too emotional. Maybe I'm not doing enough. But then, it hit me. She wasn't who she pretended to be. The girl who got me all those snacks, said she loved everything that I loved, that wasn't real. It's not love, it's a performance. Covert narcissists don't show up loud and arrogant. They show up charming, emotionally intelligent. They study you, mirror your values. They'll make you feel seen in ways no one else ever has. And that's the point. They're building a character tailored just for you. They don't need to yell to control you. They just shift your reality little by little until you don't trust your own gut. And the wildest part, you'll still try to defend them. Because the version of them, the one you fell for, felt so real. But it wasn't. It was a mask. It's not love, it's a performance. And they are damn good actors. If any of this feels familiar, I want you to know something. You're not crazy. You weren't asking too much. You weren't too emotional. You were being manipulated. And now you know the signs. You know that real love doesn't confuse you. It doesn't make you anxious or ashamed of who you are. So, if you're watching this and realizing things that you didn't see before, that's okay. You're waking up. And now you're taking your power back. Because it's not love. It's a performance. And you deserve something real. What was your first sign that something wasn't right? Let's talk about it down in the comments. I read them all, and your story might help someone else connect the dots. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.